Hi everyone. The Gibraltar Federation of Small Business, in conjunction with Infinity Learning, will be running a training workshop called Time Management: Get Organized for Peak Performance. This course will be running on April the 24th and April the 25th at the GFSB headquarters, which is GFSB House 122 Irish Town. Now, the course overview, we will be looking at ways for you to better organize yourself and your workspace for peak efficiency. Understand the importance of and the most useful techniques for setting and achieving goals. Identifying the right things to be doing and develop plans for doing them. Learn what to delegate and how to delegate well. Take control of things that can derail your workplace productivity. So that's the overview. Built in within the overview, I'm going to be speaking to you about the power of change. A lot of people go on time management courses, come away with lots of good ideas and the best will and intentions, only to find themselves going back to their workplace and slipping back into the habits that they previously had. To help you with this, I'm going to be looking at changing your perspective with regards to time management. Time management, look at it this way. Time management works, or traditional time management works approximately for 50% of the people. What happens to the other 50% of the people that traditional time management methods or techniques don't work for? So I want to change your perspective with regards to time management. Lower your expectations, so to ensure that you're not going to go out, try and change everything, only to find that as soon as you hit an obstacle, you revert back to the bad old habits that you had before. I'm also going to be concentrating on setting goals, so mechanisms to not only set goals, but measure the effectiveness and efficiency of that goal setting. Planning tips, tricks, strategies. We're going to be looking at different ways for you to plan your activities to make you more efficient. We're also going to be looking at setting up routines. Why is it important to set up a routine? What should be in your routine and what should not be in your routine? How do you manage your routine? We'll have a look at that. Putting an end to procrastination. Procrastination, we all suffer from putting things off. We know it should be done, but because it might be boring or we really can't get our head around as to why we should be doing something, we tend to put it off. And we only, force ourselves into action when that task becomes urgent. So we'll have a look at why do we actually procrastinate and how we can actually put an end to procrastination. And finally, I am going to get you organized. I'm going to get you being more efficient with the limited time that you have. Tall order, I hear you say? Not really. I think it's relatively quite straightforward once I show you some tips, hints and strategies for you to be able to look at time management in a completely different way. Please, please, please book yourself onto this course nice and early. I've already had people inquiring, coming onto courses that I am doing in March because they thought it was time management. So they weren't literally managing their time well. However, they're extremely keen to get onto this course. Please contact Jenny Wootley at the GFSB. Her details are on on her website and the Facebook page for the GFSB. Just once again, the course will be running on April the 24th and April the 25th at the GFSB headquarters, which are located at GFSB House, 122 Irish Town. If you have any questions or queries, please contact Jenny Wootley, and she'll be able to answer any questions or queries that you might have. I look forward to seeing you on April the 24th or April the 25th, and we'll be discussing time management, how to get you organized for peak performance. Thank you very, very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on either April the 24th or April the 25th. Take care now. Bye-bye.